Hello everyone, for today we will unbox and review the latest item from Pitaka store, and that is MagEZ Slider Wireless Charging Stand for iPhone 12 and 13 series, AirPods and Apple Watch. However, I will show you later that it works with Samsung items too. But before that, let's first unbox the power dongle for Apple Watch, which attaches to the MagEZ Slider. We will talk a bit more about it later, but now let's open the main box. Inside the box you will find the MagEZ Slider Pitaka Power Bank, which attaches to it, a charger, magnetic item, and of course the instruction manual along with the catalog of the whole series of Pitaka products. Let's go and give it a closer look. So here are all the items that you will receive in the box. You get the MagEZ Slider, the power bank, the power dongle for Apple Watch, and here this is the adapter for behind to charge the Apple AirPods. So depending from the version of the AirPods, it can come either down like this, or you can put it a bit up like this. So what I like about this Pitaka is that all the items, it's basically magnetic, so it's very practical, as you can see here. And you see, for example, to charge the Apple Watch, so here you have this USB Type-C, and this is magnetic here. So what you do with this item, maybe you can lose it once you charge. No, you just put it on behind again on the magnet, and here it is. You will never lose it. So this item you can put either here on this docking station, and you can charge your watch here, or you can take this anywhere with you and you can simply charge it on your laptop or anywhere in the office. Similarly, it is with this power bank. So this power bank is 4000 milliampere hours, and here you can just put it here, plug it like this, and now you can see it is charging. It is charging the power bank, as well as you can put the iPhone here, which I will show you right now. As well, you can put a Samsung phone with the Pitaka case. So iPhone you can charge either directly with the case or without the case from iPhone 13 onwards. And for the Samsung you can charge only with the Pitaka case, which I will show you as well, Samsung S22. And what is good about this item is once you're in a hurry, so you can just remove this power bank from here, and it can still be on your phone, continue charging, and you are on the go. And also it is very practical because you can move it here and there, that depending from your side, like you are in office, you can just move it and grab your phone easily. Like you receive the message notification, just move it towards you to see what is happening. So it is really an amazing item. So let me show you now how it is charging the phone. So here I have iPhone 13 with the Pitaka case, and you can see basically this circle on behind, which is fully compatible with this one. So you can charge our iPhone 13 with this case or without the case, because anyhow it has this circle here for charging. So once you snap it here, it snaps and it starts charging, and you can see that it stays really strong. Like you need really to put force to remove it from the charging, so you don't need to worry that it will fall down or something like that. It's really strong. And of course, if you need it, just like if you are in hurry, you need to go somewhere, you just pick it up from here. It will go along with the power bank, and then you can go and phone, you can continue charging, as you see, and you can do your calls, whatever, and you can then put it back on the charging station. It has 4000 milliampere hours, so it is enough for charging the phone fully once, even if you don't return it on the docking station. And that will be all for this video. Let me know in the comments below which is the item you like the most from the Pitaka company, either from this video or from some of the previous videos. And if you like any of the items, you can order it from the link below. Just check the description of this video, especially if you are from UAE. You can check this link. It is from the official Amazon Pitaka store, but of course you can always go to the global Pitaka website and order anywhere in the world. That will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.